So good morning, everyone. We are going to continue our Excel topic today. Okay, like in the last class, I give you some information about the Excel sheet, like what is called what is rows, okay, how to insert the formula कैसे type करते हैं, okay, and these all those options I told you already. These options same like MS Word, like apply this font option, like bold, little, underline, font color, size, border, alignment option. These are same. Okay, so now we are going to continue one question today. Okay, that is a shopping sheet. We are going to make one shopping sheet and it is available in your book also. Okay, the same question given in your book, page number 83. Okay, I'm going to again repeat page number 83. Page number 83. On the page number 83, there's a one question given, shopping sheet. Okay, so we are going to solve that question today. तो सबसे ऊपर हम यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, serial number. We need here the serial number. Then I take the product, then price, quantity. We did this question yesterday also. Okay, but we did only like price, quantity and amount. We did only this question yesterday, but today हमको कुछ और भी करना है. We have to apply some discount also in this. Okay, so after quantity I'm going to write here discount, then discount price, payment. Discount price के बाद payment. You can increase the width of the cell like that. Click करो, इसको यहाँ से drag करो, quantity यहाँ से increase करो, discount यहाँ से increase करो, discount price और ये हमारा payment column. Okay, now I want to write here the numbers like 1 2 3 4 5, and yesterday I told you how to apply the numbers. Type 1, then type 2, then you can select both of the number and then you have to drag like that. तो इससे से numbers आ जाएगा. ये कल आप लोगों को बताया था. Now you write here the name of the some product name like football and badminton, then skates, then basketball. Okay, then price is 500 rupees for it and 1500, and then okay. Now going to write here the quantity 2 3 5 5 3. There's a given here the discount as the same is given in book. हम same लिखेंगे, ठीक है. So the discount is 20 15 15 20. It's percentage. Okay, 20 means these are 20%. You can write and you can mention here also. Suppose you want to edit something, आपने यहाँ पे लिख तो दिया, you write there 20, but you want to edit this cell. So how you can write? You have to double click here. Then you can you will get the option to edit like that. Then you can write here the discount percentage like that. You can apply. Otherwise, in simply you have to click here and then press F2 from the keyboard. क्या press करना है? F2. You have to press F2 from the keyboard. Okay, you have to press F2 from the keyboard. Then you will get option to edit the cell. यहाँ पे click करो, click here and then press F2. Now you got the option to edit. Now you can write here the percentage sign also. So it will easy for us now to understand this 20 is in percentage. Okay. अच्छा. DISCOUNT discount price. Discount price right here the payment here. Okay. Now we can do one thing. We can select all of that things and then we can apply here to center. So all the details come in center option. अगर आपको इसको left करना है तो इसको left कर सकते हो. Others option you can like that. इसको select किया. Then you can click here, apply some borders also like that. Did it. Okay. You can increase the width of this also. ऐसे आप click करके इसको ऐसे increase कर सकते हो like that. Otherwise, you have option to select all together and right click here and then apply the row height. By default size is 15. By default कितना size है इसका? Right now it's 15. So you can select all of that. You can apply right click and then apply then choose the right sorry, then choose option row height. Just click here and apply here the like suppose 25. So it will like that. ये ऐसा आ जाएगा, ठीक है. Now it's look good. Now we have to apply the formula for the discount price. Okay. Now we have to apply the formula for the discount price. Suppose we are going to purchase a football. Okay. So price of one football is 500. So if we are going to purchase two football, it means now price equal 500 plus 500. So it will be 1000. Okay. Because we are going to purchase two footballs, so price will be 1000. Now he's giving 20% discount also. कितना discount दे रहे हैं? 20%. It's mean 20% of what? 1000 multiply 20%. It's mean 200 rupees discount. 200 rupees the discount value. So it should be come here. Okay, this 200. और हमारा payment कितना हो जाएगा? It should be 1000 minus this 200. Okay, 800. ये इस तरह से होना चाहिए. But we have to apply by the formula. How can you calculate the discount price? First, we have to calculate that amount, then get the 20%. Okay, so the same formula is in given your book also. It's equal to price multiply by quantity. First, I'm going to write here the formula, so it will be easy for you to understand. इसको यहाँ से merge कर लेते हैं, merge and center. So you can see now after merging, this cell becomes one cell. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 sorry 1 2 3 4 4 cells become one cell now. So I'm going to write here formula equal क्या है PRICE price multiply QUANTITY quantity multiply DISCOUNT discount divided by 100. It's given in your book. Okay. और मैं इसको यहाँ से टेक्स्ट कर लेता हूँ बिकॉज ये जनरल है तो ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे शो नहीं करेगा. सॉरी इन एक्सेल वी कैन नॉट राइट फॉर्मूला लाइक दैट. सो यहाँ पे एक कॉमा साइन दे देता हूँ. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. ओके, इक्वल price multiply quantity multiply discount divided by 100. हमको यहाँ पे करना है. So first you have to equal, press the equal, then click on the price, then multiply sign, then click on the option quantity, then multiply option, then click on the discount value, this discount value 20, then divide and then 100 as it is same given in your book, and then find out the discount price. Discount price is 200. It is same answer. Okay, now we have to find out the payment option. Okay, now we have to calculate the payment. Payment formula is also given in your book. So payment formula क्या है? यहाँ से मैं इस लाइन को मर्ज कर लेता हूँ. I will write here. Price multiply quantity minus discount price. This is the our formula for to find out the payment. तो पहले क्या ना इक्वल प्रेस करना है, then you have to click on this price value, then multiply, then quantity, then click the option quantity, then minus. अगर आप इसको प्राइस और क्वांटिटी को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो क्या जाएगा? 500 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 1000, और 1000 में से क्या माइनस करोगे? डिस्काउंट प्राइस, दिस 200, तो 800 आएगा. सेम हमने यहाँ पे भी किया था, बट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई बाय द फॉर्मूला. सो इक्वल प्राइस मल्टीप्लाई क्वांटिटी, then minus, then click on this discount value. Okay, discount price, then press enter. We got the answer. Now I'm going to repeat again here the formula. Equal price multiply quantity, then multiply, then discount, then divide, then 100. Again see, equal price multiply quantity multiply this discount and divided by 100, like that. You have to find out. Equal this price multiply this quantity multiply this discount and divided by the 100. Equal this price multiply the quantity multiply the discount and divided by the 100. Now we have to find the payment option. Equal price multiply quantity and minus discount price equal price multiply quantity divide minus discount price equal price multiply quantity minus discount price. This one. What the answer? Equal price multiply quantity and minus this discount price. This is the answer. ठीक है, इस तरह से आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. बट वी नो द वन फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो. We are working on Excel, so it will save our timing for the calculation. Okay, no need to apply formula again and again. Once you apply the formula, then you just need to click here when the cursor when the sign of the mouse will change or like that, then you just need to click and then drag the mouse. Automatically सबके ऊपर formula हो जाएगा apply. Okay, automatically formula will apply on all the cells. Just right like that, click and then drag the mouse like down. Okay, not like that, one by one. You can select both of them together, then click here and then drag. Okay, so it will apply the same formula for all of that. Suppose now you are going to change value here. Suppose the price is not 450, suppose the price is 500, so automatically all the value will be changed like that. ये सब change हो जाएगा. Suppose discount is not 50%, suppose discount is 25%, तो ये भी calculate हो जाएगा, because we are not writing the value, we are clicking on the cells. While जब हमने type किया formula, while we are going to type the formula, so we are just selecting the cells. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, name of the cell, not the value. Okay, so that's why the formula is depend on the cell, not on the value. Okay, so whatever you write here in this cells, automatically सबका change होएगा. Suppose the price of badminton is not 500, suppose it's 600, देखो ये change हो गया. So this Excel is used for formulas. Okay, तो ये आप लोगों को आज प्रैक्टिस करना है दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, द शॉपिंग चार्ट. This question is given in your book on the page number 83. Okay, suppose ये पेज नंबर 83 यहाँ पे लिखा है. Okay, like that. अब मुझे इसके मिडिल में लिखना है, तो we can do one thing. I select all these cells and then click here and apply the merge and center. ये बीच में आ गया. Now इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर रखना है, so we can use this option, element option ना, middle element ऐसा आ जाएगा. You can increase the font size also. ठीक है, ये सब यूज करना, मर्जिंग सेल ये सब आप लोगों को यूज करना है.